What if you could speak to your parents in the same language the Quran was revealed in? What if the words father and mother didn't just sound ordinary, but felt spiritual? Today, you're about to learn the Arabic words for the people who mean the most, your family. 1. Father. In Arabic, father is said ebbun. Transliteration, bin. Say it with me. Ebun, ebun, ebun. When you say my father, it becomes abi. Example, my father is kind. Abi tayyibun. Repeat again, slowly. Let the word sink in. Abun, abi. Word number 2, mother. In Arabic, mother is ummun. Transliteration, ummun. Say it with me slowly. Ummun, ummun, ummun. My mother becomes ummi. Example, I love my mother. Uhibbu ummi. Feel the word. Feel the warmth. Ummi. It's not just a word, it's a bond. 3. Brother. The word for brother in Arabic is akhun. Transliteration, akhun. Let's say it together. Akhun, akhun, akhun. My brother, akhi. Example, he is my brother. Huwa akhi. Say it once more. Akhi. Easy, soft, strong. 4. Sister. The Arabic word for sister is ukhtun. Transliteration, ukhtun. Repeat it with me. Ukhtun, ukhtun, ukhtun. My sister, ukhti. Example, my sister is smart. Ukhti dhakiyatun. Such a soft word, isn't it? Say it again gently. Ukhti. 5. Son. In Arabic, son is ibnun. Transliteration, ibnun. Say it slowly. Ibnun, ibnun, ibnun. My son, ibni. Example, this is my son. هذا ibni. Repeat it one more time. Ibni, my son. 6. Daughter. In Arabic, daughter is bintun. Transliteration, bintun. Let's say it clearly. Bintun, bintun, bintun. My daughter, binti. Example, her daughter is little. Bintuha saghiratun. Say it again. Binti, my daughter. All right, let's take a quick breath and go over what we've learned so far. Here's a rapid-fire recap. Repeat after me. Eb, father. Mother. Akh, brother. Ukht, sister. Jed, grandfather. Jadda, grandmother. Ibn, son. Bint, daughter. Zawj, husband. Zawja, wife. Easy, right? You're doing amazing. Now it's your turn. I'm going to say the English word, and you try to remember the Arabic. Let's go. What's the Arabic word for mother? Yes, What about sister? Correct, ukht. And the word for daughter? Right again, bint. Keep going. Father, eb. Grandmother, jadda. You're getting the hang of it now. Let's do a few more faster. Brother, akh. Son, ibn. Wife, زوجة. Grandfather, جد. Husband, زوج. That was fun, right? Learning can be powerful when it's playful. Have you ever noticed how family words carry more than just meaning? They carry emotion, heritage, and connection. In Arabic, family is not just a social structure. It's the center of identity, the source of belonging, and often the greatest treasure in life. Let's reflect on a few phrases that highlight this. Arabic phrase 1. الأسرة هي الوطن الصغير. الأسرة هي الوطن الصغير. The family is the small homeland. Think about that. Your home, your parents, your siblings, they're the first people you laugh with, cry with, fight with, and forgive. Arabic culture puts immense value on this sacred unit. When I learned that the Arabic word for mother is I realized how central she is, not just in our hearts, but in the language itself. You'll even hear names like Kulthum, meaning mother of Kulthum. That's how much honor the language gives to mothers. Arabic phrase 2. من لا يعرف أمه لا يعرف نفسه. من لا يعرف أمه لا يعرف نفسه. Whoever does not know his mother does not know himself. This reflects the emotional weight of family in Arabic life. Identity is rooted in relationships. And this isn't limited to direct family. In Arab culture, extended families are deeply connected. And even friends are often addressed using family terms like akhi, my brother, or ukhti, my sister. Arabic phrase 3. البيت بلا لا روح فيه. البيت بلا لا روح فيه. A house without a mother has no soul. This is the emotional power of the Arabic language. These aren't just vocabulary lessons. They're keys to the heart of the culture. They reveal how much love, respect, and spiritual depth is woven into every word. In a small village in southern Egypt, a young boy named Amr used to sit outside his home every evening, watching the sun set behind the date palms. One day, he asked his grandmother, Ya jaddati, Ya jaddati, why do we always eat dinner together? She smiled and replied in Arabic, لأن الأسرة تأكل معا وتفرح معا وتعيش معا. Because the family eats together, rejoices together, and lives together. Amr didn't fully understand back then, but years later, when he moved to the city for university, he would often sit alone in his small apartment, hearing his mother's voice in his head. كل يا بني الطعام لا يؤكل وحدك. Eat, my son, food is not eaten alone. One evening, feeling homesick, he called his sister and said, أختي لو كنت قريبة لأجلست معك هذا المساء. My sister, if you were near, I would sit with you this evening. She laughed gently and said, أنت ليس بعيدا. أنت في قلبي دائما. You are not far. You are always in my heart. Learning Arabic vocabulary isn't just about memorizing words. It's about understanding culture, feeling the warmth of family, and being able to say, I love you, my brother, in a way that touches the heart. From eb, father, to ukht, sister, from ummi, mother, to jadd, grandfather, you've just taken a beautiful step into the heart of the Arabic language. Leave a comment below in Arabic. أحب أسرتي. أحب أسرتي. Let's see how many of you can say it with your heart. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode in our Arabic vocabulary journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, keep connecting.
Dear viewers, now you can say Ab for father, for mother, Akh for brother, and Ukht for sister. These are not just words, they are full of love, emotion, and meaning. Every time you speak about your a'ilah, family, you are connecting deeper with Arabic and its beauty. Here is your challenge. Leave a comment using at least 3 family words in Arabic. It could be something like Ana uhibbu ummi. I love my mother. Ana uhibbu abi. I love my father. Ana uhibbu akhi. I love my brother. This will help you remember and help others learn too. If you enjoyed this, there is so much more coming. Family is only the beginning. If you liked this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. And yes, your journey to learn Arabic has just started. See you in the next video, inshallah. Ma'as salama.